So in this video, we're going to do face detection using Python. We're going to get an image from Google. We've already done that in another video, and we're going to detect the face, crop it, and mask it, and put it in our database. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the project that we're working on. This is a democracy chart. This is for Spain. And it is dynamically generated, so you can put in a country and it will give you the value. So here we have for Spain, you see the two people. So this is, the script is going to Google search, finding a portrait of these, and then doing the face detection. Okay, so finding faces with Python is actually a lot easier than you may think. This is the libraries that we're going to use. These we will use for getting the image from a URL. Matplotlib, to plot, nothing weird. CV is computer vision. This is the actual library that does the face detection. And the NumPy we use to process the images. And peel we use to mask and crop, okay? So we load the libraries. And this is the image URL that I got from the Google search. Go and check that video if you want to, but you can do any URL, any image URL. In this part, I'm just going to read the image and convert it to a NumPy array, so then we can work with it, okay? So this is how the image looks. And then we're going to convert it to grayscale, so it's a lot easier for the algorithm to work. For this algorithm that I'm using is the here hard cascade. There are tons of different algorithms. You can pick different ones. I will put the link to this one in here. So what you need is you download these, and then you need to put it, let me show you, in the same place where you have your script, okay? Otherwise it won't work. So you put it in there, and this is the part that goes and does the face detection. So this you say which classifier you're using, the algorithm that you just downloaded. And this is just gray, is this gray image that we created in here. So get the image, and then there are more parameters that you can use. I'm just using minimum neighbors. So minimum neighbors is to avoid false positives, so faces that are not faces. So the higher the value, the higher the chances that you get a face. I'm not so worried about this either because I have portraits, but it has worked well, so I'm keeping it. And then this part, so faces gives you the X, Y, and the width and the height of the face. So it basically gives you these coordinates, these. So the normal one that you see on the internet, it will draw a rectangle and say, okay, this is the face that we detected. Cool. I don't need that. What I want is, instead of giving me a rectangle, I want to crop it by those measures. And then I want to do a circle. As you remember, in our charts, we have circles. So that's what we need to do. So this is what we will do. This part crops the image based on the coordinates from X, Y, width, and height. That it comes from the algorithm, right? And then it resizes the images. Obviously, I need to have all the images the same size, otherwise it will be weird on the chart. So it resizes them to the same chart. And then I've tried to reduce the noise. As you can see, they are like very plottery. I need to do more work on this, but for now it's fine. And then this part is using Pill to actually do the mask, the round. This creates this is the circle that has been drawn, and this is the part that is masking the image, and then this is shown as the masked image. So if you go in there, this is what it gives us. And this code is what I'm using in my big code to create these things. How amazing is it? It's actually very, very easy. Just give it a go. I will have these notes on GitHub, so just go to the description box and then you'll find the link there. Okay? I'll see you in the next one.